area of circle.
Okay, as Faisal said, good morning, my friend. Good morning, grade 6. As Faisal said, we have our lesson today is area of the circle. We continue the same lesson, right, Faisal?
Yes.
Okay, so the lesson is called by area of the circle. It means if I will divide the circle into squares, small squares, each one will be equal 1 unit of length. How many squares we have them inside the circle? Okay. Firstly, Faisal, look with me to the question number 1. Read the head of the question, please. Find the area of each circle and round that to the nearest tenth if pi is equal 3.14 or what, ya Faisal? Do you remember pi is equal what? Faisal, we have pi have two numbers, two rational numbers. What is the two rational number here, ya Faisal? So pi here is equal what, ya Faisal? Equal 3.14 or 22/7. Again, ya Faisal, we can say that this answer is 3.14 or 22/7. So the value of this one is equal 3.14 or 22/7. Okay, Faisal?
Okay.
Look with me to the first question. Number 1. This one we called it by what, ya Faisal?
Circle.
This,
This is diameter.
yes. This one we called it by diameter, but this one we called it by what? This line segment. Radius. This one we called it by what, Faisal? We called it by radius. Again, Faisal. This one we called it by what?
Diameter.
This one we called it by diameter, right? And this one we called it by what?
Radius.
Radius. So I have here diameter and I have here radius, right?
Yes.
I have two main names, diameter and radius. Do you remember that? So if he gives me the diameter is 6 and I need to find the area, we said that, Faisal, I don't work with diameter. We don't solve with diameter. What will make, Faisal? We will divide this diameter over 2, right? So I need the radius, right? If you need the radius, we will divide this number over 2, Faisal, right?
Yeah.
I will divide this number over 2. What we will have? 6 divided by 2 equals 3. After that, what is the rule of the area? By r squared. Do you remember that yesterday? I tell you, forget your name and remember this rule. Will be by r squared. By r squared. So we will put 3.14, right? Times r squared. What r squared? It means the number by itself, not the number by 2. It means 3 power 2, 3 by 3. Okay? 3 power 2, it means 3 by 3, not 3 by 2. The answer now is equal what, Faisal? If I multiply 3.14 times 3 power 2 or 3 by 3 equals 28.26. 28.26. 6 here is less than 5 or greater than 5? It's greater than
5.
So I will cancel this 6 and add 1 to 2. We will cancel this 6 and add 1 to 2. So the answer here is will be what? 28.3. The answer here is what? 28.3. Again, Faisal, what we do, my friend? I will have this diameter all is equal 6, right? I have this diameter all is equal 6. So the radius is equal what? The only one radius is equal 3. The only one radius is equal to 3. If the diameter all is equal 6, so the radius is equal 3. If I need the area, what will make Faisal? If I need the area.
What?
If I need the radius, I will divide it by 2, right?
Yes,
It will be 3.
Yes.
After that, my friend, I will multiply 3.14 times 3 power 2. 3 squared. 3 power 2 or 3 squared. It means 3 by 3, not 3 by 2. It equals 28.26, right?
Yes.
6 here give to 1 because we will make approximated. He said round this one to the nearest tenth. It means I need 1 decimal. for this line. It will be 28.3. I need you now, Faisal, tell me what we'll do in the next example.
We will multiply 2.
Write the rule firstly, Faisal. What is the rule?
Okay. By
R squared, right?
R squared, yes.
So the area of the circle by R squared. By is equal what, Faisal?
2.
By is equal by, Faisal.
3.14.
Don't forget, we will
Okay.
put that all the time 3.14, except if he gives me number in table of 7, multiple of 7. If he gives me number multiple of 7 or in table of 7, I will use 22/7. So I will use here, again, the rule 3.14. It means by 3.14 times the radius squared, 2 squared, 2 squared. This one is equal what, Faisal?
2 power 2 equal 4 and 3.14 multiply
By 4?
to 4 equal 12.56.
So this one is equal 12.56. We will multiply 3.14 here, right?
Yes.
By what, Faisal? This one, I will multiply it, my friend, by this number because I have that. We will make this one times 4. It will be equal 12.56. Okay, Faisal? Can you tell me,
okay.
Faisal, if I need to approximate this one to nearest tenth, I need to approximate this one to the nearest tenth. What will make?
You will plus 1 because 6 is
It's greater than 5. So I will cancel 6 and add 1. The answer is equal what,
to the
Faisal?
5 equal 12.5.
No, I add 1 to 5.
12.6.
Excellent, Faisal. So it will be 12.6, and the unit here will be yard, right? So it will be yard squared. The unit is yard squared, okay? Look with me to the example number 3. He gives me, we have a circle. The radius of this circle is equal 1 inch. I have this is the radius, right? We said that, yeah, Faisal. The long one here is the diameter. The long one is diameter, but the short one is radius, okay?
Radius. Okay.
If the radius is 1, Faisal. If the radius is 1, okay?
Yeah,
So what is the area of this circle? What is the area of this one? If I cut it into small squares, each one is equal 1 inch. So how many the area of this one? I need the area. Do you remember the rule again?
Yes.
Again, tell me what is the rule.
By
Yes.
R
Squared. By R squared. Or by R power 2. By R squared or by R power 2.
By
right?
R power 2.
Okay, what will make Faisal here?
We will put power 2 in 1. And
yes,
this is
means 1 by 1.
Yes, this is equal 1.
1 by itself for 100 times, it will be 1, right, Faisal?
Yes.
1 multiplied by itself, it gives me 1. 1 by 3.14 equals what?
3.14.
So the result here is 3.14 what?
Inch.
Inch. So the result here is 3.14 inch. Okay? 3.14 inch. After that, Faisal, I have the question number 4. What we have here? This is what? What's its name? Its name is Faisal?
Radius.
This one is called by radius. So this one I can call it by what, Faisal?
Diameter.
In number 1. Number 1 is?
Diameter.
And number 4 is?
Radius.
Okay, so we have in number 4, this is radius, right, Faisal?
Yes.
What is the rule again? I forget that. The rule of the area?
By R power 2.
Or by R squared, right? Again, yeah, Faisal, I don't hear you.
by r power 2. By
Okay.
r power 2.
Okay, so the area of the circle, I tell you, by r power 2, by r squared, okay? We will replace by 3.14, right?
Yes.
We will replace by with 3.14. And we'll replace r by what? 14.5, right? So it will be 14.5 times itself, right? 14.5 times 14.5. Right?
Yes.
It will be equal 14.5 times 14.5.
Equal,
What we have in this case?
it will equal 210.25.
What?
210.25.
Faisal,
What?
check your answer again. We have that, yeah, Faisal,
I do it in the
3.14
yes.
times 14.5 power 2, it means 14.5 times 14.5, not times 2.
I know 14.5 multiply 14.5 equal 210.25.
Multiplied by 3.14.
Okay, I will multiply it. But I will do this.
Okay. You forget multiply by 3.14?
No.
Again, yeah, Faisal. I will
It
multiply
will equal
3.14.
660.185.
Again, I will multiply what, Faisal? 3.14. The value of pi. The value of pi here, Faisal, 3.14. Okay. Multiply by 14.5 power 2, it means 14.5 times 14.5. If I got this result, it equals 660.185. My friend, 8 here is bigger than 5 or less than 5?
Wait, mister, I didn't understand. And the first
Again,
thing,
we
and the
said the
first thing.
answer is 660.185, right?
Yes, I say this.
Okay. 8 here, 8. I'm talking about the second position.
Okay.
Is greater than 5 or less than 5?
Of course. Greater than 5.
So we'll cancel 8 and add 1, right?
Yes.
So it would be 660.
660.19.
What? No.
9.
I said I will
1.
cancel 8 and add 1, yeah, Faisal. 1 plus 1.
Plus it will equal 660.2.
Okay, so the answer now, Faisal, is equal 660.2. Again, Faisal, if I need the area of this circle in number 4, question 4, we have what? We have here the radius. This one is called by the radius. Okay, Faisal? Here we have this one is the radius. The radius here is 14.5, my friend. So because he gives me this number, 14.5, the radius, so the rule is by r squared. And we said that before, if I have the diameter, I must divide the diameter over 2. If he gives me the diameter, Faisal, I must divide the diameter by 2. But he gives me here the radius. So it will be by r squared. By r squared. So the r here is equal 14.5, right? So it will be 3.14 times 14.5 times 14.5. Is it clear, Faisal? We will go now to example number 5. What we have here? I forget the name of this line. The red line, the pink line. Can you say the name of the pink line, please, Faisal? What is this?
Diameter.
This is diameter. If he gives me the diameter is equal 21 feet, 21 feet, okay? How I can find the radius? Because all the time I need the radius.
You will
Divided
divide
by,
it by 2.
will divide it by 2, right? 21
Yes.
divided by 2, Faisal, equals what? So the first step, divided this one by 2. Equal?
10.5.
10.5, right. So the radius is equal 10.5. What is the rule again? The area of the circle equal.
The area of the circle equal the diameter divided by 2.
Okay. So I will divide the diameter over 2. So the radius is equal 10.5. After that, the area is equal what? 3.14, it means pi, right? 3.14
Yes.
times 10.5 squared, or 10.5 times 10.5. I can make over the calculator.
32.97.
Check your answer again. You have your Faisal. 3.14 times 10.5 power 2. It means 10.5 times 10.5. It equals what?
Wait. Mister. Right. It will equal 346.185.
Yes, excellent, Faisal. So this one is equal 346.185. We will look into the 8, right? Excellent, Faisal. 8 here is greater than 5. Okay?
Yes.
So 8 here is greater than 5. It gives me 1. It will be 346.2. Thank you, Faisal. Faisal, can you solve number 6 alone? I don't speak without speaking, without helping from me. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, of course.
He gives you the diameter. Okay,
yes,
explain it, Faisal. Imagine you are Mr. Islam now, okay? And teach me how I will solve this.
Okay. This in the
if
first
you need to drink water, you can do that.
Okay.
Or drink something, okay?
No, I'm good. And the first thing, this is called diameter. The diameter is 2 lines that connecting. And the radius is the opposite of the diameter. Only
it's half
one
of
line.
The diameter, not opposite. It will be half of the diameter.
Half of the diameter. And let's solve question number 6. And the first thing, the rule of the diameter
gives me the diameter.
Yes. The rule of the diameter is diameter divided by 2.
Okay, so this is not the rule of the diameter. This is the rule of the radius, because I need the radius, right?
Yes,
I need the radius. So this is, don't set the rule of the diameter. Okay? If I have, for an example, your brother is W, your brother is double of you, and your brother is 17. How I can find Faisal? So I need Faisal, I don't need your brother, right? So I need the radius, the small one. If I need the radius, I will divide it by 2, right? 17 divided by 2 equals what, Faisal?
17 divided by 2 equals 8.5.
So this one, the radius now is equal 8.5. I have the radius of the circle is equal 8.5, okay? After that, if we have the radius is equal 8.5 by this way, what will make?
We will multiply 8.5 2 times.
Okay, we'll multiply 3.14 times 8.5 and put over the power 2. If we don't have power 2 over the calculator, I can multiply by itself. It means 8.5. If you have power 2, put power 2. If you don't have, I will make Faisal 8.5 times 8.5. Because maybe the calculators will be not good.
Okay.
Okay, welcome, Muhammad.
It will equal 226.9.
It will be equal what? 226.865, and 6 here is greater than what?
5. You will plus 1. Greater than 5. You will plus 1.
Added 1. Okay. Muhammad, are you here? Muhammad?
It will equal 226.9.
226.865. I will add 1, it will be 0.9. Okay, I need to go to the next example now.
Okay.
Alaykum. Be with me, Muhammad.
Yes, Mr.
Okay. Can you tell me, Muhammad, this lens, we called it by what? This line segment?
Diameter.
This one, we called it by diameter. If he gives me the diameter here is equal 21. I have the diameter now, Muhammad, is equal 21. Okay, how I can find the radius?
Divide it by 2.
So we will divide this one over 2, 21 divided by 2, Faisal. 21 divided by 2 equals what, Muhammad?
It equals 10.5.
10.5 or 10.5, right? 10.5 or 10.5, right?
Yeah.
Do you know the rule of the area of the circle, Muhammad?
Yeah. It's radius times 2 times 3.14.
This is the circumference, Muhammad. The circumference here, we said that before, it would be the length of the frame. Again, Muhammad,
Yeah.
if we're talking about the circumference, my friend, it means the length of the frame here. But we don't talking about the circumference. We're talking about the area. It means the number of the square inside. Faisal, can you tell Muhammad what is the rule of the area? Because Muhammad yesterday is absent. What is the rule of the area?
The rule of the area is by r power
square
2 or
or
square.
by okay.
Yes.
So the area here is equal what, Muhammad? Don't forget this rule, please. By r squared. Again, by r power 2 or by r squared. Again, the rule of the area of the circle, Muhammad, by r power 2 or by r squared. Write that with me, please. We will write by. Do you know by? By, we said that before,
Yes.
is equal 3.14 or 22 over 7. Okay? So it will be equal.
Okay.
It's equal 22 over 7 or 3.14. It equals 22 over 7 or 3.41. Okay?
Okay.
So he gives me the diameter here is equal 21. I must divide this one over 2. He gives me this one is equal what? 21 divided by 2. It gives me 10.5. After that, we will make what, Muhammad? I will use the rule. By r squared or by r power 2 means 3.14. Muhammad, write with me. 3.14 times 10.5 power 2. 10.5, and I will put power 2 over this.
Sir, I need to go get something and come back, okay?
Okay, waiting for you. So this one, Faisal, is equal what? If we will make 3.14 times 10.5 power 2. Faisal.
Yes.
If I have that, my friend, I have the radius is 10.5. In example number 5, we said we will make 3.14 times 10.5 power 2. What we have in this case? 3.14 times 10.5 power 2 or squared. We can set that power 2 or squared. Power 2 or squared.
You will put power 2.
Okay. Or multiply the number by itself.
Yes, okay. You will multiply it by itself or put power 2 and multiply it by 3.14.
So 3.14, Muhammad, multiply by 10.5 power 2 or multiply 10.5 times 10.5. The result is equal what, Faisal? The result is equal what? It equals, if I make 3.14 times 10.5 power 2 or 3.14 times 10.5 times 10.5, Muhammad.
Okay, just wait.
It equals what?
It equals 346.
Point?
185.
So it will be 346.185. Muhammad,
Yes.
here 8 is bigger than 5, right? You can see 8.
Yes.
8 is bigger than 5. If we need approximate, Muhammad, we will cancel this 8
1.2.
and add 1. 1 plus 1, it gives me what? 2.
2.
So the result here is equal 346.2. If he said approximate, because he said in the head of the question, look with me, round that, approximated that to the nearest 10. He said for me, Muhammad, round that or approximated that to the nearest 10. Okay?
Okay.
We need now to go to number 6. How I can solve number 6 now? We have the
Number
diameter,
6.
right? Yes.
It's 1 times 1 times 3.14, which equals 3.14.
Muhammad, we are in number 6, my friend, not 3. 6.
The screen's lagged for me.
Okay. We will make 3.14 times the half of this number. Half of 17 is what, Yaman? Half of 17.
17 is I don't. Half of 17 is
means the radius.
8.5.
The radius is equal
8.5.
8.5. So if I need the radius, Muhammad, what will make Faisal? We will divide it 17 over. I will divide it 17 over 2. If I need the radius, Muhammad, I will divide it this diameter. This diameter, I call this one by diameter. I will divide it by 2. It gives me 8.5, right? So 3.14 times 8.5 power 2, or make 8.5 times 8.5. It equals what, man? It equals?
What, mister?
It equals what? If I will multiply 3.14 times 8.5 power 2.
3.14 times 8.5. Wait. 8.5 times 8.5 times 3.14.
Put يا مهند 3.14 firstly to don't forget that.
9.
Muhammad, take your breath. I said that. Don't forget to put 3.14 firstly, please.
What, mister?
Don't forget that. Don't forget to put 3.14 firstly, because maybe if you don't write it, okay, you forget that. So we will write 3.14 times 8.5 power 2 means 8.5 times 8.5. The answer now is will be what, Muhammad? It will be 226. 226.
Because we round the nearest digit.
It will be 226, ya Muhammad. Point what?
0.8.
865. I will make 8 here. Becomes what?
You'll make
because
what?
8. I have that, ya Muhammad. 6 is greater than.
You'll make it 9.
Yes, so it will be 226.9. Okay, now we go to example number 7. He gives me the radius, Muhammad, by 8, right? The radius is equal 8. So I don't need to divide it over 2, right? I don't need to divide it over 2. If he gives me the radius by 8, ya Muhammad,
yes.
How you can calculate the area?
Okay.
The rule. Tell me the rule.
What?
Tell me the rule first.
By times the number times the radius.
Power 2. Again, the area is equal what, Muhammad?
By times the radius power 2.
So by times radius power 2. This is the area, right? By times radius power 2. It means by times 8 power 2. Right, Muhammad? So if I make 3.14 times 8 power 2 or 8 times 8, Muhammad, I have 3.14 times 8 by 8 or 8 power 2 or 64 directly. It equals what?
It equals
3.14 times 8 power 2 means 8 by 8 means 64.
8, okay. Wait, sir. 8 is in 3.40. It equals 200.96, which equals 201.
Excellent. It equals 200.96. Here, what I will do if I need to approximate.
You need to you just bring the last number to the next number.
I add 1 to 9, right?
Yes.
Because 6 is greater than 5, I add 1. It will be 10.
Yeah.
Right? I will write 200.10 or something else.
Okay.
Tell me, if I have that Muhammad, if I have 200.96, 200.96.
200. It equals 201.
Excellent, excellent. I will clap my hand for you, Allah. Excellent, Muhammad. It will be 200.201 because 9 here gives it the 01. It will be equal. It equals 201. Muhammad, I need you now to look to example number 8. My hero Muhammad.
Number.
If I have the
Number
diameter
8,
is 5.
okay.
Is the diameter is 5.
Diameter 5.
So the radius is equal what?
Radius equals 2.5.
So 5 divided by 2 it equals 2.5, right? If I need the area
Right.
now, man.
If you need the area, you just times by times the radius by times radius power 2.
So it will be by r squared, right?
Yes.
By r squared. What is r here? 2.5.
R is the radius.
And the radius is 2.5, right?
Right.
So
2.5 with the power of 2.5 equals 2 times 2.
So I have 19.625, right?
Yeah.
So what we have in this case? 19.625.
Wait, Mr. Let me. 3.14 times 2.4 times 2.4. It equals 19.6.
Excellent. It will be 19.6. Okay. The question number 9. He gives me the radius now, Muhammad, is 24. Right?
24. It equals
So,
the radius.
No. If the radius, I don't divide it. You trick yourself.
No,
You
I
make
didn't
trick
hear
with
you.
yourself. Right?
Yeah.
Again, if he gives me the radius is 24. So I need the radius. No. The radius
What
is
equals
here.
48? The area.
If he needs the diameter, it should be 48. But I don't need the diameter, right? You need the diameter?
Yes, we need it.
We need the diameter?
Yes, we need it.
No. Why am one? If he gives me the diameter, I need the radius.
Yes, but he gives me the radius right now.
I will write this one as it is. I will write this number as it is, Muhammad. I don't thinking about the diameter at all. If he gives me the diameter, I divide it by 2. If he gives me the radius, I work. Again, Muhammad. If he gives me the diameter, I divide it by 2 to work. So diameter divided by 2 and work. If he gives me the radius, I directly work. Write the rule and work. Okay?
Okay.
So the rule here is 3.14 the by times the radius bar 2.
Okay.
After that, 3.14 times 24 is equal what? 24 bar 2.
Yeah, bar 2. Okay, 2.3 as a
3.14 again.
3.14. Yes, I know. The by times radius with power 2 equals the area. 2.3 times
3.14 times 24 power 2. It means 24 by 24.
Okay, 24 times 24 times 3.14. It equals 1,808.64.
1,808.64. 4 here is less than 5, right?
Yes. 4 is
4 here is less than 5.
So we cannot round it up.
Okay, if I round this one, it gives me what, man?
Around this one, it gives you 60.
It will be 60 or 6 only. Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you for your time, Muhammad. I hope that you
Okay.
enjoyed this lesson. And I need to tell you firstly, happy Ramadan. Enjoy your time by praying in
Okay.
the same time. And you don't forget the praying time, please.
Okay.
Make every day 1 page or 2 pages from the Quran al-Kareem to read it every day. Okay? And do everything good to make Allah help us to remove Corona from all of the world. Okay, Muhammad?
Inshallah.
Thank you for your time, Muhammad. Thank you, Faisal. Okay. I don't make mute. Wallah, I'm Faisal. You mute yourself. Okay. We will see next time in Sunday, inshallah. Okay.
Oh.
The school will send the timetable for you, the schedule. So don't forget to join us again, Muhammad. Thank you for your time. Grade 7. Thank you. See you soon next Sunday, inshallah. Happy Ramadan. Happy feast. See you soon. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Yes.